We'll guide you through how to connect Android to Windows and use Phone Link. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This is really convenient as you can then do different things for your phone on your computer. To get started, press search at the bottom and go and type in Phone Link and click on it to open it up. Here you can go and see the Microsoft account. If that's correct, then what you can do is choose your device. We're using Android. Come onto your Android and simply open the camera app. What you can then do is go and scan the QR code. You'll get a pop-up which you then need to go and tap on. You're going to go and be brought here. What you want to do is go and press install for Link to Windows and wait. When it's finished, you can go and open it up. What you can do is come out of it and you want to go and open the camera again and scan the QR code. Tap on it and now the phone link will open up. Press continue and enter the code. Next, we can go and get a notification or use another way. You'll see it closes on your computer. Press search at the bottom and you can then go and open up phone link again. I'll press skip here and at the top, you can then go and press calls, photos and messages. If you find this useful, then leave a like.